Okay. Okay, if I ask you that you want to revise, I should revise something, so what that something would be?
So vectors.
Vectors, there are so many things. Which?
Sir,
Hmm?
on Saturday, which topic you taught? Na, I wasn't able to connect properly, so I didn't heard everything. Can you repeat that?
Okay. I'm revising the main highlights of whatever we did so far. We started with vector and scalar and the definition. That was first thing. Do you remember? And the importance. Which is more important? What was your answer? Which is more important, vector or scalar?
Both.
Both.
Oh,
सेकंड, वेक्टर को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट, वेक्टर का एडिशन मेथड, वेक्टर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन, उसके लिए दो मेथड थी, कौन कौन सी थी?
Law of triangle
Triangle law.
ट्रायंगल
parallelogram
मेथड
method.
एंड पैरेललोग्राम मेथड.
Parallelogram
parallelogram
method.
method.
ओके. थर्ड था कॉम्यूटेशन प्रॉपर्टी. We verified that. Then we found that addition, it is followed, subtraction, it is not followed. Till this thing all is well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth था, जो most probably you are not able to tell, but it is resolution of vector. Okay. So irrespective of whether you attended it earlier or not, you should be able to follow this x-axis, y-axis, and you are given a vector, let's say A, going at an angle theta. So theta gives you direction and the length gives you magnitude. Together this forms a vector. And if I drop a perpendicular here, I'll be getting x component of vector. So I'll label it Ax. And if I drop a perpendicular here, I'll get Ay. So is it legal to write now that vector Ax plus Ay, when both are added, you get vector A
Yes.
from method of triangle or parallelogram, whatever you want to name it. Okay. From, I can write Ax. I don't want to write this form. Can I write Ax I plus Ay j? Alright, sir.
Yes.
What is difference between these two? Wrong answer, then wrong answer. Not to worry. Answers are answers. But do speak.
It states direction.
It states direction. Okay. So this was vector Ax. What I did, this is magnitude and this is
Direction.
direction. Together this makes a whole vector. Same way, Ay was a whole vector, but I split it into magnitude into unit vector j. What is unit vector j?
Sir, waiting room.
Yeah, Sriti admitted, Vidisha admitted. I have to keep that window partially open for that purpose. Okay, sir? Do you get this step? Now it's your duty. This is the last time that you are coming across these facts. I'm not going to repeat in future. So if you get stuck anywhere, immediately ask me. I'll be very happy to explain. Okay? Shall I proceed?
Sir, can you explain it one more time?
Okay. I'm explaining it. Any vector is made up of two parts. One is magnitude into direction. Okay. So if I talk about this vector ax, so its magnitude is ax. But what about the direction? It is going along y-axis, right? This ax is going along y-axis, am I right?
No.
No. Along which
Sir?
axis? Yes.
सर ये पैरेललोग्राम मेथड थोड़ा बताओ ना.
Okay, I'll come to that point after this. So right now focus on this. So this vector ax is going along which axis?
X axis.
X axis. तो उसके लिए डायरेक्शन का सिंबल रखा है यूनिट वेक्टर आई. जैसे ही आई लिखा मतलब रीडर whosoever is reading will understand that this is going along x axis. So vector ax can be written like this. Similarly, vector ay, this vector, what is its magnitude?
AY.
Ay. And what is the direction? Y
J
axis.
hat.
So j hat. Okay, this is one thing. Now Manya's question. So is it Neha? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How this to this we came. Okay. Then Manya's question that how law of parallelogram is present here. Then if you remember, we had a discussion earlier that if you got vector A, right, and another is vector B, how would you add them together? So fix a point O, draw vector A, from same you draw vector B, and then complete the parallelogram, and then connect O with the opposite vertex. This is resultant vector A plus B. This was called method of parallelogram. Am I right? Hello, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same way, instead of A you had vector Ax, instead of B vector Ay. So this is vector A plus vector B. Only symbols are different. The rest of the story is same. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Manya?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing again A equal to AXI plus AYJ. Now if I consider this triangle, so I'm going to replicate that figure here. This was theta. What was this? A. I'm writing magnitude only, so I'll just write it. What is this? This length is AX. I'll not write vector sign because then I'm not showing arrows. Okay. Had I been showing arrows, then I have to write like this. Without arrow, you have to write only magnitude. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अभी एक AY बाकी रह गया, कहाँ पे दिखाऊं उसको?
जो बच्ची वो लाइन.
Vertical line. Shall I say this is AY?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I don't like AX and AY. I want to replace it with trigonometric terms. So you might be wondering क्या ये सब मगजमारी क्यों कर रहे हैं? In coming days you will appreciate that it's good that you know it in advance so that you can focus on the topics at that moment and not on these vectors, because you should be already good in the vector algebra, then you can focus on other part. So trust me, this is very important. I don't want ax here. Can I express a x in terms of a and theta?
Yes.
And ay be in trigonometric terms. So what shall I do?
Take sine and cos
If I
theta.
take cos theta, what shall I write? Cos theta is a ratio of two sides.
Ax upon a.
It is base or adjacent side upon hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Now, do you all believe, agree, and understand this? What I have written?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I can write ax equal to a cos theta. Perfectly legal.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to deal with ay, so I take sine theta. Again, it's a ratio of two sides. Which two sides?
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
So what is opposite here?
Ay
Ay.
upon a.
A by ax.
Ay upon a, right? So therefore ay equal to a sine theta,
Sin theta.
right? So instead of this ax, I can write a cos theta. Instead of ay, I can write a sine theta. So I'm now rewriting the same vector as a cos theta I plus, what shall I write?
A sin theta j cap.
j cap.
A sine theta j caret. If you know this, good enough. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Now vector is playing with you, or you are playing with vector?
We are playing with
We are
that.
We are playing with vector.
Okay. अब एक second aspect of what we studied. Same diagram. This is vector A at angle theta. So this gives me ax. I'm writing only magnitude, and this gives me ay. Okay. So then we had drawn this triangle. Let's say this a, ax, ay, and theta. If I want to write tan of theta, what shall I write?
Ay by ax.
Formula is opposite side by adjacent side. Now when you learn trigonometry for the first time, when you had come across tan theta, you might not be knowing at the time that it will find you somewhere in physics in vector algebra, and here you are finding कि vector A कौन सी direction में जा रहा है. If you want to know, just take ratio of y component and x component. You can also write theta equal to tan inverse ay by ax.
सर ये कुछ बीच में आ रहा है.
ये वो पार्टिसिपेंट का लिस्ट है. एनीबडी इज ऑन मोबाइल, सॉरी लैपटॉप?
Yes, sir.
सर मेरे को, मैंने आपको वो जो बोला ना इनवैलिड क्रेडेंशियल्स, वो अभी भी वो प्रॉब्लम फेस हो रहा है कुछ.
सो आर यू
हाँ.
टाइपिंग corp16.myclassport.com?
हाँ सर, आपने पता है व्हाट्सएप पे लिंक दी थी, उससे भी एक बार ट्राई कर लिया तो भी नहीं हो रहा.
Have you sent your credentials to me?
सर मैं सेंड करता हूँ मेरे क्रेडेंशियल्स.
बाद
और
में
वो
लेक्चर के बाद अटेंड सेंड करना.
यस.
ओके, वेयर इज नेहा? I'm making you co-host, okay?
Okay, sir.
So you'll be able to see the list of waiting students and let them in as fast as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Manya, you understood parallelogram, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is again an important one. मान लो मेरे को मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करना है, इससे मिल गया डायरेक्शन. So question is, if A equal to AXI plus AYJ, find or derive formula for direction and magnitude. If this is the question, हमने डायरेक्शन तो मिल गया. Can you tell how will I find the magnitude?
By Pythagoras problem.
By
Magnitude
Pythagoras
is,
theorem.
yes, correct, A, right? So I'll write A equal to root of AX square
Plus AY square.
तो उससे क्या मिल जाएगा?
Magnitude.
Magnitude.
So is it okay? Fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's practice. A equal to, let me think. Root 3 by 2i plus 3 by 2j. Find direction and magnitude. Sorry. On your screen, whatever you need to know is already there. Write and solve it in your notebook, all of you. See, physics is not something which you can learn by reading. You have to do
Done,
it.
sir.
Okay. Don't reveal the answer. We are still left with, I think, 10 minutes minimum. So randomly ask any of you to start your camera and show your calculation.
Done, sir.
Then, okay. Sardar, show it on the screen. Okay. Root 3 correct. 13 by 4 root 3. Okay.
Sir, it's 12.
It should, हाँ. कुछ तो लोचा है. Let me see in my work. No, root 3 is correct answer.
Sir, but instead of root 13 by 4, it should be root 12 by 4.
हाँ
It's 12 only.
हाँ
Like 13.
so that is, it looks like
Yeah.
never mind. Somebody else? Prisha, your camera works? Krishna Raj, you be ready. It's good. You will be the next one. Prisha, show your work. Krishna, you show your work. Hello. Yes. Okay. मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ फिर I'm going to put it on YouTube. Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. Okay. Participant who is waiting. Neha is waiting. Krishna Raj, are you there? Before I mark you absent, say something. Krishna Raj, Prisha, you say something. Vraj, are you there? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Krishna Raj not responding, Prisha not responding.
Sir, they are
Sir,
writing
उन्होंने
in
सर
chat.
चैट देखो.
Sir, their camera isn't working.
But at least microphone is working, no?
But they are texting it. They are not speaking.
अरे यहाँ मेरे चैट में कोई इंडिकेशन भी नहीं आता कि कोई मैसेज आया है. कैमरा इज नॉट वर्किंग. यार कैमरा माइक्रोफोन तो काम कर रहा है ना प्रभु. अभी मैं पार्टिसिपेंट का लिस्ट भी देखूँ, ये भी देखूँ, कैमरा इज नॉट वर्किंग. अभी आईफोन यूज कर रहे हो.
इसका तो माइक भी यूज बंद है.
कैमरा इज नॉट वर्किंग. प्रिशा, माय माइक इज नॉट वर्किंग. ये कैसा आईफोन है कृष्णराज? ये फोटो तो अच्छी आती है लेकिन सेल्फी अच्छी आती है आईफोन में. ओके. है कोई दूसरा माइका लाल और लाली हु कैन शो द वर्क? विराली यू शो. कोई एक तो दिखा दो तो मेरे को लगे कि नहीं जो मैंने पढ़ाया कुछ काम में आया. चैट देखता रहूं साथ में. मन स्टार्ट वीडियो.
सर मन का तो डिस्कनेक्ट ऑडियो है ना, वो आपको नहीं सुन पाएगा।
डिस्कनेक्ट ऑडियो मतलब?
सर
ऑडियो कनेक्ट
मीन्स
नहीं किया।
हाँ सर, वो आपका वॉइस नहीं सुन पाएगा।
किसी का भी नहीं।
तो फिर वो ऐसा चालू करके क्यों बैठा है? इसमें तो मन दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। या उसमें तो माइक भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। तो for
सर
example-
may I show my work?
Yes. Save me, save my soul. Come on, Khushbu. Just hold on. Huh? थोड़ा ऊपर कर बुक को। ये कुछ और दिखा रही हो। हेलो खुशबू।
एक मिनट सर।
या ये उल्टा दिख रहा है मेरे को। हाँ थोड़ा ऊपर करो बुक को। Okay, fine. I couldn't look at the answer, but it seems that whatever you have done is correct. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Khushbu. Now, after spending 10 minutes on a silly thing, let's solve it. Finding direction. Theta equal to tan inverse AY, which is 3 by 2. AX. What is AX here?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So, how the division would go on?
Cross multiplication.
2 gets cut. 3 by root 3.
Cancel, right? So equal to tan inverse 3 by root 3. अभी आगे क्या करेंगे?
Rationalize.
Sir, instead of 3 we can write root 3 into root 3.
So yes, tan inverse root 3 into root 3, that becomes 3, and here we already have root 3. So this is equal to tan inverse root 3. Right? What is tan inverse of root 3?
60 degree.
60 or 30?
60.
60 degree. Sure?
Yes.
Yes sir.
So this is your first answer. How will you find magnitude? Which formula?
Pythagoras.
Is it there on your screen?
Yes.
This
A
first
equals to
A equal
root
to root
a
of
square plus
AX is root
Is-
3 by 2 square plus
Equal to root over ax square plus ay square.
okay. So this is equal to root of, what is root 3 square?
3.
3
And 2 square is
4
4.
plus 3 square is
9
9.
9
by
9 upon 4.
4.
2 square is 4.
Therefore A equal to root of
Root of 12 by
12
4.
by 4
12 by 4 is
equal
root
to
3.
root 3. Right? Okay. So I'll be sending these pages in your homework. I'm giving one question which we'll be doing now. If p equal to we have started with this, okay, 3 by 2i plus root 3 by 2j, find magnitude and direction. Time starts now.
Sir, done.
Okay, magnitude, so I believe के what is
Same.
magnitude? Same.
Root 3.
हाँ, root 3. और theta क्या हो गया?
30 degree.
30 degree. Right? So we are left with 3 minutes. And what I suggest to all of you that if time permits and data permits, watch this video again. Most probably you will not have any doubt. You may not have completely understood in the first go, but when you have got facility to see the entire teaching again, you should do it. And trust me, it's not that easy for me as well. Just have a look, the process involved. This file will come here after recording. It will come here, okay, like this. It will be around 376. Can you see this? Have I shared my screen with you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It will come here something like this. It will make MKV file 376.8. okay, then I'll send it for one more software. It is Handbrake. Okay, so here I'll bring it in and I'll compress it, so it becomes around 150 or 200 MB, and then I go to YouTube. Okay, it's a long tedious process. So this compression will take around 15 minutes. Then again upload here, go to YouTube Studio and upload the file. It will take another 10 minutes. You have to give title and all that thing, then create a link. Okay, these are the videos. और वो लिंक को मैं फिर आपको व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करूँगा या फिर in MCP. So it's a long way out. So when I'm putting this much effort, at least you take some time to go through those videos instead of coming blank in the next day's class. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Right.
So make full use of the facility. We are left with 6 seconds. This was your homework. Goodbye, Tata. Okay.